Hello guys, this is Anis here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Soft Learners. Welcome back to the new session. And in this session, we are going to customize the WordPress theme, or you may say the website. So first of all, we'll change the page layout because it seems not good. On the left side and the right side have a white area. You may say the gaps. So to change the page layout, we'll need to go to the Elementor. So on the upper line, you will see some options here if you are logged in. If you're not logged in, you'll need to log in to see these options here. So here we need to go to the Elementor. So also you can see here like our pet products. From here you can go to the dashboard, and from here we'll customize. So first you need to change the page layout. To change the page layout, we'll just click on it, or you can open a new tab. So after that, you'll see the interface like this. Here we have Elementor elements, and here some are free and some are pro version. Elements means you need to buy the pro version, or you need to upgrade to the pro version to use these elements. And here we have like settings, navigator, and history, responsive mode, and preview changes, and the update. So from here you can first see the navigator, and in the navigator we have like a lot of sections which we have made in this theme, or you may say the templates. From this section you can view your columns. This one you can select it and you can hide it as well. You can see here you can view or hide as well. You can select another section here, it will take you to the next. And here if you want to use this, it's up to you. If you don't want to use, then just close it and you can reopen it from here. And to change the page layout, just go to the settings here. You see here page layout. So we'll change it to the Elementor full width, because we need full width to look good, to make it like good looking website. So click here and you'll see the magic. You see, now it's looking good. And here it's like this panel. If you click here, then it will hide. You can view the full width website, and if you click back, it will show you the elements here. So whatever you make changes, and when you get satisfied, just click on update. And you can preview changes from here as well. If you click here, then it will open a new tab. In here you can see the changes, or if it's already open here, then you need to make refresh, so it will give you the new version. So after changing the page layout, we need to customize the theme. You see the customize button here. Just click here or open a new tab, and you can close this one. So from here you can see the options. This is about the theme to get premium, and here we have the first option, site identity. So site identity, from here we will change our logo. So to change the logo, you need to upload your file here. So after the file selection, it will ask you to crop the image, because maybe it will be the large image. So we need a small size image to fit in the logo size. You see it's already changed here. And after that we have site title and the tagline. I want to change my tagline to pet products and accessories. So enable disable title, and here we maybe no need to show the tagline, just disable this one. So down here we have a site icon which will be shown here in this area, so like in the tab. So here we have the size 512 by 512 pixels. So you need to select your site icon here, same as like the logo. Just here select your file. So after selecting the file, you need to crop it if it's like big size, and you can see the preview as well, like this will be shown here. So just crop it. And you can see it's done here. And here down we have like responsive modes as we saw in like Elementor. Here you can, if you click here, they will show you the tab mode and the mobile. So you can see how it looks like in mobile and the tab and the laptop. So you can hide the controls from here. If you click, you can preview the whole full width website, and if you click here, it will show you the options again back. From here we already changed the logo in the site icon, and we can go back to the second option, and after you make changes, then you just click on publish, and when it's published you can see here it was by refreshing it. So after the refresh you can see your site icon here and the logo here. So after the site identity we have other options here. So I'll show you in a quick. We have a theme color here. You can select any theme color from here. The first color option and the second color option. Right, and we have header. Customizing header and footer panel. We don't have more options like we have in Elementor. Like we can create our header and footer. So I'll show you in a bit. And here we have general settings. General settings, like we have here show theme preloader. So if you want to show, then check here. It will show you how it will look like preloader, and you can change its color as well, whatever you like. There are second dot color. So I don't think so it should be shown. So uncheck this one, and we have colors here, header text color and background color. You can change if you like. And we have here social links. You can put your Facebook link, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. We have here a slider option. So here is saying here you have to add 3 different post categories in below drop down. So you can select any one of them for slider option. And after slider option we have header image. So this image will be shown in the header in the background. For example, we can add new here. For example, this one. If we select and crop image, it will take some time. And here you can see, yes, so you can see the header image as well. For now just remove this one. So after the header image we have here featured image. We haven't added any category, so it's showing nothing. And after featured product, we have footer. As I said earlier, header and the footer we will be creating from the Elementor. Here we have background image, so you can select anyone if you like. For example, this one. So I'll be showing on the whole background in the home page. It looks really ugly, so just remove this one. And we have here menus. This main menu have some categories. Home, like these are all default. We will change later. And after that we have widgets here, like recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories. If you want to give here anywhere you can give, or simply we will add through the Elementor. I'm just showing you here some quick options. And here we have some home page setting. So the home page should be home. Here we have like post page. Firstly we need to create a post page, then we can select from here. We still haven't created anyone, so leave it empty. And after that we have like additional CSS. Here you can create or give your CSS codes whenever you are needed. So after these options we need to create our header and footer, like which we can customize by ourselves. So to create header and footer we need to go to the dashboard, means backend panel. From there we need to add a new plugin, install a plugin. So to install a plugin, just click here, add new plugins, and add new. Here just search header and footer. So we need to install this plugin, Elementor header and footer builder. I have already installed and activated this one. If you haven't installed, then just install here and activate it, this one. And you'll find this plugin. In appearance, you need to go to Elementor header and footer. So by default, we have two here, footer, site footer, site footer. So we need to delete both of them. Select all and move to trash. Apply. So here we need to add a new WordPress. I'm building website for myself. I'm a beginner. Okay, next. Your first name, if you want to give or not, it's up to you. You can skip this one. And here, so here add title should be header, and select option header, and display on entire website. And here we have user roles. You can select anyone, and that's it. Just click on publish. And after publish, just edit with Elementor. So here we need to create our header, and here we need to create structure first. So for the header, one should be the logo, and the second column should be about the categories. So here we click on the two columns structure. So we have created one section here, section of two columns. In first column we need to add our logo, and in our second column we need to add our categories. So to add the logo, simply click here nine dots and simply write site. So I'll show you here one element, site title, site logo, and site tagline as well. So just drag site logo to this column here, and it's very small. So we need to add custom image. From here, choose image, and from here just select your logo and insert. So now it's very big, we need to resize it. So from style, need to change its width, maybe the 20, yeah, 20 will be better. And to add categories, we need to add here menu element. So just simply write here menu, and here navigation menu. Just drag this one to this column, and here we have the menu, and the categories home, like these all are by default, so we can change it later, no problem. So simply come here and you can select the menu from here, and the last menu item, if you want to keep button, it's up to you, and by default it's simple, maybe the button will be better. And after that we have here layout. In layout you can see the layout, you want to keep it horizontal, vertical, or expanded. Expanded means you click here and it will expand. And flyout, same as like that one, but when you click here then it will just show this menu. And maybe need to keep it simple, horizontal, and keep it center. And submenu icon, arrows, submenu animation, slide up, and action on menu click. You can play around with these options here. And responsive, and tablet, its size is about 1025 pixel. Alignment, the center, it's already selected here. So you can see here it's not looking good because it's like some kind of congested here. So we need to increase the width of column. So you need to select the column first, or maybe like this way, maybe, yeah. From here just select the column here, and width keep it maybe 60 something, or maybe more, just to get in the line. 70 is better. And this one is 30. Okay, so now it looks pretty good. You can preview it before you make any changes. So just click here, preview changes, and you can see here it's nicer than before. So just close this one and update. And after update, just go to your website. You'll see, yes, you see it's much better than before. So now we need to create the footer, same as we created the header. For that, just go to your backend panel, dashboard. From here, appearance, and Elementor header and footer. And from here just add new and title footer. Select option footer, display on the entire website. Okay, and then just publish. And after publish, just click edit with Elementor. So for the footer, we need to create the structure as we created for the header. Here also we will create, but we'll create 3 columns. Okay, first one will be about the logo, second one will be about the categories for the pages, like contact us, about us, and third one will be about contact, like connect with us, like that type of. So first we'll add the logo. same site logo. Okay, and here now we need to do like you can paste here the menu as well. For example, here menu, okay, and navigation menu right here like this. And we have here layout. If you want to keep it vertical like this is also okay. But what if we say like we don't need the menu, we want to create by ourselves? Okay, so to delete this one, just click on pencil icon here and it's selected here, right? So just delete. Here just write list. Yeah, this icon list here and paste here. Okay, now we'll create by ourselves. So first one, like if we say, will be about blogs. Okay, so just, and the second one will be about contact us page, and the third one will be about like about us. Okay, or you can say like blogs about us, then contact us. Same as here, like these are in line and these are default. And here we want to keep the icon of the list same, all same. Like for example, you can see here, these three all are different. So to keep the same as this one, you need to click here, list and icon library here, and right here check, and this one. Okay, then insert. You see it's inserted here, same. This one same. Just check, insert. And if you want to keep any other icon for your list, you can choose from here. There are plenty of icons here you can select, and if you want to upload your own, then you can upload from here. Okay, so I'll just keep this simple as this one, blogs about us, contact us, and the best way is to just copy this one and right here privacy policy. Okay, these all are the pages we haven't created yet, like blogs, about us, contact us, privacy policy. So if you have already created one, then just put the link here, link of the blogs. If you whatever your page is, then just put the link here and it will be linked to this list. Okay, and the third column will be about like connect with us. So here simply click on 9 dots here and we are going to give it here heading, and the heading we are going to write connect with us. Okay, maybe with will be small letter. Yes, it's okay. And after that you need to give here social icons like social links. For that again 9 dots and type social, drag it here down here, and you see like we have Facebook, Twitter and the YouTube. We can add the new items here as well. For example, this one here, WordPress. Okay, it's by default, but you can select here icon library from here. If you want to give your WhatsApp here is okay, Instagram, email, whatever you want to give, you can give. So keep it simple, but whatever you do, just keep simple to look perfect. Okay, and this one, this text, this heading, we need to align it to center. List and icon, we need to make it also like in middle. So go to style and alignment, keep it center. For example, this looks not so good, but it's okay. You can play around with these all like style, icon, text. You can play around with them. So whenever you just got satisfied, just click on update. Okay, so this is our footer. Maybe it's not looking good, just but we need to make some changes here. Okay, so this one is style, and we need to change here width as well, like we kept in header 20, we just keep here also 20. And after that, now it's look a little bit good, better. Okay, or we can increase as well, like we want to keep yeah, 29 maybe, or we can make it 30. So keep it to 30 and see how it looks. Yeah, maybe it's better than before. So whenever you get satisfied with your changes, then you can preview it here, and if you think it's okay, good to go, then just update. So after the update, just refresh the home page and you'll see the footer down there, and see that's done here. So in this session we learned the basic customization and creation and the customization of header and the footer. So that's it for today's session, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you learned something new today, just like and subscribe this channel.